Aeryn's awesome adventures! Hi guys, my name is Aeryn. The environment is very important to us, and we're going to see the turtle and the lighthouse. But first thing, I'm going for a swim. Oh, my rice is here. It's time to go. Bye-bye. It's a bit sunny today. Now we're going for breakfast. After breakfast, we are going to see the turtle. It's time to see what yummy stuff they have today. Yummy is dim sum. This is what I have waffle. Make sure you start your day with a good breakfast. Hi everyone, this is dim sum. You should try, you know. So good. There are many different types of turtles in the ocean, and today we are going to meet Baby. Baby is a hawksbill turtle. Follow me. I'm going to feed the turtle. I hope Baby's hungry. We splash the water a bit to get Baby's attention. Oh, Baby is not hungry. Baby is swimming away. Baby. Wait, Baby heard us calling. Baby, come here, turtle. Yes! Baby is swimming over. Oh, look, Baby is so adorable. Hello, turtle, you're so cute. Turtles are very important because they keep our oceans healthy. Here's some yummy fish for you. Did you see that? I just fed a sea turtle. A sea turtle's hands and legs are called flippers. Baby has a hard shell that protects her. Hey, Baby splashed water on me with its flippers. The turtle is friendly but smoky a bit. And I like the shell because it's hard to eat. I just found out that I love sea turtles. In the wild, hawksbill turtles love to eat sea sponges and small fish. Baby, there's fish here. I'm going to give more fish to Baby. Baby, here's fish. Sea turtles breathe air like us, but they can hold their breath underwater for a few hours. Turtles can't leave their shells behind. Their shells grow as they get bigger. A hawksbill turtle's mouth looks like an eagle's beak. That's how the hawksbill turtle got its name. Nearly all sea turtles are endangered. That means there are fewer sea turtles around in the world. Baby is a grown-up turtle. Would you like to see baby turtles? This is the turtle hut. Most of the baby turtles here are about 8 months old. Look, there they are. There are so many of them. They look like pineapples with flippers. OMG! I'm actually holding a baby turtle. Oh, they look so helpless. You have to be very gentle. Oh, it's so small. Look at the tiny eyes. A mother turtle can lay about 80 to 110 eggs. She covers her eggs in the sand. When the baby turtles hatch, they climb out and go into the sea. Hi everyone! You know I love sea turtles because they are so cute. But remember, do not throw things. Throw rubbish into the ocean because you might kill the turtles. Bye-bye turtles. I'm going to the forest now. We are going to see the oldest lighthouse in Malaysia. Now we are at Tanjung Tuan Forest Reserve and we are here. And we are going to the lighthouse over there. The lighthouse looks quite far away and we can't drive in. We have to walk through the forest. That's going to be awesome! Now, let's go now! Come on guys! I'm so excited! Guys, look! I found some big leaves! I hope we get to see some cute animals. Look how tall they are! Those trees! Forests are important because they give us clean air to breathe. My teacher says they clean up the dirty air. Forests keep the planet Earth cool. I like my teacher and the forest. Big forests can also make it rain. When it rains, it's cooling. Forests give us clean water to drink. Forests give animals a home. I think you're nearly there. There it is! The lighthouse is a very tall building with a very bright light inside. I'm so disappointed. We came all to the way here, but we can't go in. Here it is! The Cape Rachado Lighthouse. Ships that come in from the sea are guided into safe harbors by a lighthouse. I still haven't seen any cute animals. I don't see.
There. See?
Or the small leaf.
There, you see, it's right in the center of my screen.
Hey, I saw it. The monkey there. Hey, look! That's black and white! It's there!
It's there, right?
Yeah, it's here! The monkey is so cute! Hey, you know what? I just saw a monkey right there. That's a dusky leaf monkey! They love to eat flowers, leaves, and fruits. The eyes are so big! It looks like it's wearing goggles. We are so lucky that we have all these beautiful forests. But please take care of our environment. Thanks for watching. Aeryn's awesome adventures! Yay! Go ahead and subscribe, like and share my videos. See you later!